Hi everyone, this is Henry. Today I want to take you to learn about a very beautiful machine, the LIUGONG 906F. Let's take a look at outstanding performance and features. This is LIUGONG 906F, a powerhouse in the world of hydraulic excavators. Engineered for performance, this machine is a perfect blend of power, efficiency, and precision. At the heart of the 906F is the Cummins engine, designed to deliver exceptional power and fuel efficiency, whether you are working on a construction site, in a quarry, or on a mining project. The 906F ensures you to have the muscle you need. With an operating weight of approximately 6 tons, and its impressive digging depth of up to 6.8 meters and 0.21 cubic meter bucket, allowing you to handle a wide range of tasks with ease. The advanced hydraulic system offers smooth and precise control, allowing operators to handle complex tasks efficiently. This ensures that every movement is both powerful and precise. Inside, the LIUGONG 906F offers a comfortable and safe environment for operators. The cabin is equipped with climate control and advanced soundproofing, ensuring a quiet and comfortable workspace. From construction to mining, the LIUGONG 906F is your reliable partner for all applications. Engineered for performance, built for durability, and designed with operator in mind, the LIUGONG 906F stands ready to meet all your challenges.